Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Kumbalong habaro si telup kari, Pulit kari Bhoi ru hapo kajingilam jong Senior Superintendent of Police o Vivekanand Singh Rathore menta kasingi kila penlong ya ka program kerpang ban Pynkup Burom Pulit kibla Aiti la kajing im bat Kyllon yap Haka kam. Kabalatip ru kum ka Police Commemoration Day. Haka ni ka program kabala penlong hapalau ka office jong USP kari Bhoi hanongpo lawan ru banishim benta da ki bahayang hasem jong Pulit kari Bhoi kibla Kyllon yap Haka kam. Ki khana school jong ka Nepali Secondary School nongpo nalor ki officer bat ki Pulit kari Bhoi. Kum kadak jong kajing Burom bat kajing songu kajing Shakri jong kite ki Pulit ki bala Kyllon yap Haka kam u SSP Rathore ula Aiti ru ya ki momento shaki bayang hasem ringkat kajing let shaw bat let bo kerpang yaki na ki jakasa ki jongki bat kajing senran jongki Pulit.
Thank you, ma'am. Assistant Commandant sir from 6th Battalion sir. Islam sir from Muslim PS sir. UPSI Libora IC services. PTS from PTS sir. USP traffic sir. Alright sir from police sir. CI sir Khanapara PS sir. CI sir Nopo PS sir Marak sir. IBI sir Lindo sir. Inspector Enwalang sir, Umyam PS sir, CI sir.
Unit that is Bhoi DEF. Martyr late Raymond P. Dindo, MPS, who attained martyrdom on 7th November 2007. Martyr late Virendra Kumar Deka, UBSI, who attained martyrdom on 20th August 2001. Martyr late Rambali Thakur, AP Constable, who attained martyrdom on 21st November 1993. Martyr late Richard Makri, AP Constable, who attained martyrdom on 28th September 1996. And martyr late Govind Rana, AP Constable, who attained martyrdom on 28th September 1996. Now, I'll request the family members of our 5 martyrs to come one by one and lay a wreath at our martyrs' memorial. I'll request my additional SP, Sri Orville Masar, to escort the family members one by one to the venue. Sunil Dhan from Karnataka, Sub-Inspector Maiboob Gudalil, ASI Venkat Chalapathi KN, Assistant Reserve SI Girish S, Civil Head Constable Basavaraj M, Armed Head Constable Ningaraju TS, Special Reserve Head Constable Prakash BU, Head Constable Mahesh NR, Armed Police Constable Ramappa Pujari. From Kerala, Driver Civil Police Officer Shyam Prasad. From Madhya Pradesh, Inspector Sanjay Pathak, Inspector Ramesh Kumar Dhurve, ASI Ram Charan Gautam, ASI Mahesh Kumar Kori, Head Constable Santosh Kuswaha, Head Constable Prince Garg, Head Constable Abhishek Sinde, Head Constable Govind Patel, Constable Anuj Singh, Constable Sundar Singh Baghel, Constable Anil Yadav, Maharashtra Constable Soibam Sanjit Singh, Rifleman T.H. Worinmi, Nagaland Constable Chandan Das, from Odisha Constable Lakshman Majhi, Odisha Auxiliary Police Force Loknath Sabar, from Punjab Sub Inspector Charanjit Singh, ASI Dhanwant Singh, Constable Harshveer Singh, from Rajasthan ASI Surinder Kumar, Head Constable Prashadi Lal, Head Constable Prahlad Ram, Constable Atar Singh, Constable Ram Singh, Constable Dev Narayan Gurjar, Constable Akshay Kumar, Tamil Nadu Sub Inspector M. Mercy, Sub Inspector V. Sarvanan, Special Sub Inspector P. Vijay Kumar, Special Sub Inspector M. Sanu Gavel, Head Constable C. Sinuvasan, Head Constable S. Jasmine Milton Raj. From Telangana, Assistant Commandant Banot Jawaharlal, Constable T. Sandeep, Constable V. Sridhar, Constable N. Pavan Kalyan, Constable B. Saidulu. From Tripura, Sub Inspector David Darlong, Rifleman Milan Dev Burma. From Uttar Pradesh, Inspector Company Commander Sunil Kumar, Head Constable Durgesh Kumar Singh, Constable Saurabh Kumar. From Uttarakhand, Additional Platoon Commander Pushkar Chandra Joshi, Additional Sub Inspector Sanjeev Nayan Jaguri, Constable Dhanraj, Constable Gokul Lal. From West Bengal, Sub Inspector Subhash Chandra Roy, Sub Inspector Raj Kumar Karmakar, Sub Inspector Subhash Chandra Biswas, Sub Inspector Jitendra Prasad Soren, Sub Inspector Jayanta Ghoshal, Assistant Sub Inspector Tapas Mudi, Assistant Sub Inspector Rituparna Dey, Constable Sheikh Mohammad Sayab, Constable Sujit Kumar Pandit, Constable Somen Mahata, Constable P.L. Pathak, National Volunteer Force Hoseen Khan. From Chandigarh, Head Constable Sukhjinder Singh, Constable Sukhdarshan. From Delhi, Sub Inspector Yashpal Singh, Assistant Sub Inspector Satyaveer Singh, Assistant Sub Inspector Chhatrapal Singh Raghav, Head Constable Shanti Pal, Constable Sandeep, Constable Victor N, Constable Atul Yadav, Constable Kiran Pal Singh. From Jammu Kashmir, Assistant Sub Inspector Yograj Singh, Head Constable Bhajan Singh, Head Constable Bashir Ahmad, Head Constable G.H. Rasool Bhatt, Head Constable Jagdir Singh, Head Constable Reyaz Ahmad, SG Constable Subhash Chander, SG Constable Jaswant Singh, SG Constable Balwinder Singh, SG Constable Tariq Hussain, Constable Azaz Khan, SPO Satveer Singh, SPO Shaukat Ahmad Kanui, SPO Kunj Lal. I welcome you all today on the occasion of Police Commemoration Day 2025, during which we pay our respectful homage to the martyrs of various police forces in our country. Just to give a background to all our children and family members who might not be aware, on 21st October 1959, 10 valiant policemen laid down their lives in an ambush laid by heavily armed Chinese troops at Hot Springs, Ladakh. Since then, October 21 is observed as Police Commemoration Day every year. In recognition of the sacrifices made by police personnel and their paramount role in preserving national security and integrity, the Government of India, led by Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi, had dedicated to the nation the National Police Memorial at Chanakyapuri, New Delhi on Police Commemoration Day 2018. The museum is conceptualized as a historical and evolving exhibition on policing in India. It is open to public on all days except Mondays. CAPFs organized band display, parade and retreat ceremony at the National Police Memorial on every Saturday and Sunday in the evening, starting 1 hour prior to sunset. The memorial gives police forces a sense of national identity, pride, unity of purpose, common history and destiny, besides reinforcing their commitment to protect the nation even at the cost of their lives. It comprises a central sculpture, a wall of valor and a museum. The central sculpture, which is a 30 feet high granite monolith cenotaph, stands for strength, resilience and selfless services of police personnel. The wall of valor, on which the names of martyrs are engraved, stands as a steadfast acknowledgement of the bravery and sacrifice of police personnel who have laid down their lives in the line of duty since independence. As a part of remembrances, CAPFs, CPOs organize various commemorative events at National Police Memorial from October 22nd to October 30th, which include visits of family members of the one who laid down their lives, police band display, motorcycle rallies, run for martyrs, blood donation camps, essay painting competition for children, and display of video films showcasing their sacrifice, valor, and services of police personnel. Similar programs are organized by all the police forces across the country during this period. Today's program is one such program which is being held at Bhoi DEF SP's office, Kam Police Reserve. Now, I'll read out the names of police personnel who attained martyrdom during the period from 1st September 2024 to 31st August 2025. From Andhra Pradesh, DYSP M. Chakradhar Rao, DYSP J. Shantha Rao, Sub Inspector M. Ashok, Constable S. Belshon G1, Constable M. R. Koteshwara Rao. From Arunachal Pradesh, Constable Thutan Sering. From Assam, Probi Sub Inspector Archana Devi, Lance Nayak Himanshu Shaharia. From Bihar, Sub Inspector Pritam Rajak, ASI Rajiv Ranjan Maul, ASI Jitendra Kumar Singh, Havaldar Mithilesh Kumar, Constable Shekhar Paswan, Constable Ashok Kumar Bhagat, Constable Ravikant Kumar, Constable Komal Kumari. From Chhattisgarh, Additional SP Akash Rao Giripunje, Head Constable Virendra Kumar Shori, Head Constable Sanu Karam, Head Constable Burom Korsa, Head Constable Naresh Kumar Dhruv, Constable Baman Sodhi, Constable Dumma Madkami, Constable Pandru Poyam, Constable Buster Fighter Somdu Vetti, Constable Buster Fighter Sudarshan Vetti, Constable Buster Fighter Subarnath Yadav, Constable Buster Fighter Harish, Constable Wasit Kumar Rawate, Constable Raju Oyam, Constable Manoj Kumar, Constable Dinesh Nag. From Gujarat, Sub Inspector Jahid Khan Munsaf Khan Pathan, Sub Inspector Sachin Rajkumar Sharma, Constable Viral Ben Harji Bhai Rabari,